ewe ya my Ghana mu hanim say nkrofo dodo na ehu amane enkanka celebrities and I said those called public figures na ni nyina ne say yankasa your sister Pamela Watara na say ni yentene nsem dodo na ewo social media so abayo so no anofo bebrebe out me hu na say Brestina na nofo no agi aman nofo say bi na bema de titu so na ohaw ne amane ni kodanda nyina efri so nofo bi say na say bema edi nani boso tumi ka say kai shira de wabode ya fe ash and nofo bi say na tumi bema tumi cartons unexpected doctors so tumi borra spiritual level another level crime and nyama nofo bi say Pamela nofo de na busiafo na nsen ni enti Pamela nka e wo social media so ama mbe ma dwenjen bedoso ye pan because no mu hunu fo bi tisa na ni nyina yankonkoda nchen no na numi ene ye sister ni video bi anase ne sam bi ejetene ne e wo ye man mankrofo kase de ye sister yi kase de awo ba ma kwala na ewu na eba ne sa no Ghana fo dodo na kase o twantro da be na wonyem ye da be na wo ye se when I yankasa ya papa yade nyina Kingdom FM Fifi Prats ani Pamela Watara interview no bisa no about akwala no hu nsensem na Pamela Watara ka say ade awawo ama akwala na ewu na kwan akwala no fa so wu ye ne say abra owo ye no midwife anase midwife for na oje na wo no yenim kwan ya fa so ba ye otumi twa akwala no sebio ne be ma efri so ma akwala no moja pram na ma akwala no buye no se ba sa ha ne ye pam na sa abra interview ni kwaso na Fifi Prat ebisa ne se akwala na owu ye no papa no na waware na ne papa na waware na se na mpna twe na sister ne bua ye ka so mpna twe na che se otumi se sister na ne hra ho ye pam ebusia fa yen kone nkobo ye ni akonmambra
di mwani o yira wo system no ukodoje ye hu bebia wafa yeti areho sabia ye say wunyinsen na ulusu oba what happened then is here na de we na wotie no kura na Ghana for feel say when you ready say
I think I went to do an interview I will mention and people I saw the comment she's lying she's a liar then we didn't see the baby bump and I think it was when I went off totally was somewhere last year before I be last year. I'm a woman, so if I get pregnant, it's not anything. But
everyone wants us a Ghana phone. She says, "Now win
because I'm back out, you know, because I wanted to keep it private. I wanted to keep it private, so saying Kameban Benya 1 year. Because I mean, you know, Ghanaians how they will talk about you. So I wanted to stay off social media. So now follow me media handles now. Now I wasn't posting. May post it was the when my 4 months early pregnancy, you know, and I'm posted. But me be right and show no. Then I stopped posting. Yeah.
Oh, worry and I say, na yem emprache na ode.
Brafi.
Baby, sir.
It's me wale ankawanti. Yes, wala brafi.
Yeah, funny out.
It's brafi ma wale ankame mo.
Ati na yem prache na yinse ne bai.
Na yem prache. Okay.
But I miscarry and I say,
oh no, it's what yeah, me I gave birth in December 9 months in December 37.
Okay.
I know most of the people know me. And actually I did CS as well.
Oh.
So I think it was through circumcision.
Oh.
Yeah, that I lost him.
Oh.
But the matter is still with the police and it's at the court. So I wouldn't like to go into much details. But it was through circumcision, yeah.
Wow. Wait, you're sorry.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, Ade. Pam, I don't know. Oh, Pam, I don't know. Pam. Oh, Pam, Ade. I don't know. Where's that money tissue, mama? Pam, I don't see. What kind of buy now? Oh. Nyamotre. Nyame nenim. What? Nyame nenim. Onenim the reason why ko bad sir. Obesa nso ama when you say awo. Awo wo ma. What? Just trust in him. What? Ema wa be mumu. Ema wa be mumu. O baba be warrior she radi ni monyam. What? You nyina ye baba witness a big time. What? And soon. One more jaba cry raho. Jaba raho. Obi a raho. Pam. Nyabotre. Why? Ebusia yane Pamela Odame Watara ewo fidie mu ase. Ewo Afro Joint so ye Kingdom 107.7. Kingdom 107.7. Mr. Bomodia na share my why. Bomodia na share my na ye hunu ye ko. Kingdom 107 on Facebook. Pam, you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Which be akasa?
Oh yeah, sure. I can.
And I'm in trouble.
Me fine.
You enjoy interview no so?
Oh, we can carry on. I'm fine.
Oh, you okay?
Me. I'm fine. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal.
Oko nightclub ache. What do you say?
Oh, I like that.
Oko club ache.
Very low.
Me kai pa na me your friends say we chiro ho no. Afternoon jam bi. Okay.
Yeah.
Ewo American house e chiro no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mekai. Yeah.
Na wujina na.
There's a way to be
afternoon by back and the polo party
polo
so.
Party, yeah.
Polo party so enche ebeba back and I just say this year polo party no this year polo party ne beba so first week in December into be sremo a over Facebook so a be sre obehu e ka say polo party mo amhye kabane ade de beba sam kwase asem munyai wana obi akwhye kabane slit di gina polo party ase o ka chere so mani remo so onti ase so o chia de sika rem na mo say ade nso film no ye polo party tuba Facebook so a top na me share na and your friend polo ona me channel polo top BBC and I was so oshe because he paid for the but doctor said Kwame despite no bro for support no more Dr. Kwame Abufa no just said paid for Atulensi brother Dr. Atulensi no money ade your friend say Uncle Francis no so can just say top shutters and eba man so eba so it's of a class on a mention to ba no be your friends ya ti bobody over Facebook so a wo me polo top ya me shey bibisa na obehye so we nya rough flooring na obetumi ahwe eye hacket polo top ana Tommy Hilfiger polo top ana say whatever polo top obetumi ahwe na odi aba mo so ya na mokofa ponko na 96 no mo de bomo no san kwase asem no this time around detective be beba ho no
ya ka se ehu mesi interview na esiko ya ya sister esika nsem na Ghana fododo na ka se Pamela ye ma wo shede nti se nti na wo de no fo ni sie na ka do ma akwala no na wo re fi se Ghana fo mema ye ni je no fo ho ana jai won se wo ye sa na no fo na nya wo de akwala no kra nya ndia na papa so na onum no fo we na o ya ade papa crofo sinti mma papa na mo na ejuma ne no fo na otumi no mo ya otumi bo wonye se no wa ya ade chese nsem ne de dodo na na crofo ka busia voi fa wo de to comment section wona mintumi ankenkan FM no fo de ye no fo ye ka se to de dibu aman but no fo de ye ai ti Pamela Watara obatampa o not for tabraba otumi chama no so Ghana fo mba ma nyina so mo se ye ma wo shede awo lost na ho Kaisa social media handles na Attention TV to about more than so be like it, watch share and comment away videos in so. We share more bonta bomb samrane from Ohema Icha.